Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be taking a closer look at the Garmin Striker Vivid 7CB and we will be answering the big question: is this Fishfinder actually worth the hype in 2026? So if you want to check this out, you can find the link of it in the description box below. So first of all, let's start with what you are getting. So the Garmin Striker Vivid 7CB features a 7-inch color display with Garmin's Vivid scanning sonar color palettes. Included in the box is the GT20TM transducer, which supports both the Chirp traditional sonar and Chirp clear view scanning sonar. Traditional Chirp is going to give you the strong target separation and depth reading, while the clear view is going to provide more detailed, almost picture-like views of the structure beneath your boat. Now, in the real world use, the sonar performance is impressive for this price range. Fish arcs are very easy to identify. Structures show clearly and the depth reading remains stable in both the shallow and the moderately deep water. If I talk about the navigation, so the unit includes high sensitivity GPS, allowing you to mark the waypoints. One of its standout features is the quick draw contours mapping. This allows you to create the custom HD fishing map in the real time as you move across the water. It also includes the Wi-Fi connectivity, which works with the Garmin's Active Captain app. Installation is very simple thanks to the included tilt swell bail mount bracket. Setup is also very straightforward, even if you are not highly technical. So in my opinion, this particular product is actually worth it in 2026 if you are an angler who wants clear sonar imaging, reliable GPS and custom mapping features without paying the premium prices. The Garmin Striker Vivid 7CB is absolutely worth considering for you. So again, if you want to check this out, the link is in the description box. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.